Brynhawn da, Gynhadledd, diolch yn fawr. Rwy'n credu fy mod i wedi mynychu bob Gynhadledd ers ymuno ar blaid, ond mae hwn yw'r ailwaith yn unig roedd wedi siarad ar y llwyfan. A fel arfer, dwi yma yn gweithio fel rhan o'r tîm staff cyfathrebu sy'n ar y cefndir yn poeni am beth fydd ar ein gwleidyddion yn dweud. Ond y tro yma, fi yma yn siarad fel ymgeisydd Plaid Cymru yn ward Saron ge Rhydaman, sydd wrth gwrs yn yr etholiaeth gorau Cymru, Dwyrain Cyfyrddin a Dynefwr. Yn ogystal â sefyll fel ymgeisydd yn y etholiaeth gorau Cymru, roedd ffodus iawn i weithio ar ran gwleidyddion gorau yng Nghymru hefyd, sef Jonathan Edwards ac Adam Price, ac wrth gwrs Roger Glyn cyn Adam. Felly mae'r ymgyrch hon yn wahanol iawn i mi, ddweud y gwir, fel arfer ar ôl gwaith rwy'n paratoi ymgyrchoedd, negeseuon, strategaeth, gwaith y wasg ac yn y blaen, ar ran ein gwleidyddion a chynhorwau, ond mae'n brofiad gwbl wahanol i hybu eich hunan. Ond ar ôl gwrando ar arweinydd newydd Cyngor Sir Ga, rwy'n siŵr byddwch yn cytun bydd y her tipyn bach yn haws oherwydd mae gennym ni neges glir a chrif a record ddwys a ddisglau i rannu gydag etholwyr ar draws y sir. And that record conference speaks for itself. It is of a party that took office less than 2 years ago, but now that it holds the keys of office, it knows the ability it has to effect positive change each and every day. It is of a party where delivering and building social housing has been unashamedly prioritised, and where buildings which Labour left to rot are being brought back into use. It is of a party that is responsible with taxpayers' money, not Labour's way of increasing council tax only to spend tens of thousands of pounds unlawfully, but one where council tax rise for the next year ahead is half of that of the former Labour administration. It is of a party that brought energy and passion back to County Hall, that looks creatively at its budgets and the cuts the Welsh Government have handed down, and sets out to restructure its borrowing repayments, for example, which will see an extra £1 million going for our children's education. And it is of a party that sees traffic jams, dangerous road junctions, speeding cars, and actually says, this has got to stop. We can do something about this now, and we are going to do something about this now. Because the Labour way in Carmarthenshire conference is to take a photograph and to send a picture to the local newspaper to complain of how bad the Plaid Cymru run council is, but how quickly they forget that they themselves held the powers of office for 12 years, and it has taken Plaid Cymru to actually get things done. So those are some of the messages that we are taking to the streets of Carmarthenshire right now, and I'm confident that Carmarthenshire residents know and can see how in less than 2 years the Plaid Cymru-led council has rolled up its sleeves and is delivering for communities in every corner of the county. So, when you go from conference this weekend, tell your friends and your family and your neighbours and as many voters as you possibly can that you're a proud member of Plaid Cymru, that you're proud of how your party is delivering for communities in Carmarthenshire. And wouldn't it be good to be proud of your local council too? Because they will be proud when they see what a team of Plaid Cymru councillors can do in their communities too. Pob lwc ym mis Mai gyfeillion. Diolch yn fawr iawn.